Chipper mood, understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and cheerful English phrase, chipper mood. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you express feelings of happiness and positivity in English. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. The phrase, chipper mood, refers to a state of being cheerful, lively, and upbeat. When someone says they are in a chipper mood, they mean they are feeling particularly happy and energetic. It's important to note that chipper is an informal term commonly used in casual conversations. The word chipper itself means being cheerful and lively. To better understand how to use chipper mood in everyday conversation, let's look at some examples. 1. After receiving good news, she was in a chipper mood all day. 2. Despite the early hour, he was surprisingly chipper. 3. A weekend at the beach put everyone in a chipper mood. These sentences show that chipper mood can describe someone's temporary state of happiness due to certain events or circumstances. Understanding synonyms can help expand your vocabulary. Some synonyms for chipper mood include buoyant, jovial, ebullient, upbeat. Each of these words captures the essence of being in a good, happy state but might vary slightly in intensity or context. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase chipper mood in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about expressing feelings and emotions. Using phrases like chipper mood can add color and liveliness to your conversations. Stay cheerful, and see you in our next lesson.